Adjusting button styles in Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to adjust or redesign the styles of the button into the Hostinger website builder. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to head over the H panel or the dashboard of our Hostinger website. Once you have did that, you're going basically to head over the left side of the screen. Select the websites, click on websites list, and then you're going basically here to see all the websites that you have created. Once you have created that, you're going to see the websites and make sure that you are going to select the website that has at least this specific and continued rectangle. That means that it is going to refer to Hosting Website Builder. Click on Edit Website and wait for the website to load up within the editor. Now, what we're going to do is to select the buttons. So basically, before selecting any button and editing the button like this, for example, for the styles, the animation of it, and etc., you can go ahead and select the button or put the default button that you are going to have into your website. That means that you are going to select the website button that you're going to put them as default. For example, if I am going to add here a button, this is how it is going to be looking. So I'm going to put that from the beginning by clicking on website styles. Then we are going to click on here buttons. And then we're going to select the type of buttons or the style of the button that we want to add from the beginning. We have the pill, we have the as you can see the rounded corners, and also we have the sharp ones. For example, I'm going to select only the primary ones, which are going to be these. So if I go ahead and add a button, you are going to see that we have this build button. So this is going to be the default button. Now, how we can modify the button? You are going to click on edit button. Then we're going to click on styles. Now you're going to have the filling color option, text color option, text fonts, text size, and borders. You have here the border color and the border width and the corner radius. So you can change the corner radius to make them sharp. Well, not with that well rounded, but rounded corners or a no corner radius. So you can go ahead and put that the max corner radius, so we are going to get the pill shape. If you're going to put it to the middle, as you can see, you're going to get this specific rounded corners button. So I'm going to let it as a pill. And for the hover, you can go ahead and put the filled color, text color, and only the color for the borders. You can also have the animation added, for example, for the button, or ignore that. Basically, that was how you can add or modify the styles of the buttons. And do not forget, if you're going to select the buttons that you're going to have in here, select them from the website styles in here and select the buttons. Select only the type of the buttons that you want as default when you are going to add a button. Basically, that was all for today's video. Do not forget to click on update website when you finish these type of modifications. And here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.